Hello, you're welcome. This is the continuation of question on the coordinate geometry. So we continue. This is number 4, question number 4. What is the equation of the line through 2, 3 with a gradient of 4? So we want to know the equation of the line through this point and this gradient. So what are we going to do? So now you should always remember or recall whenever they ask you to find. So we have this equation, that is y minus y1 equals m into bracket x minus x1. So always try to remember this. Okay, so now what is my y1 and what my x1? So now the point given to us, this one will be our x1 and the second part will be our y1. Are you getting it now? So, and our m, the 4 is our m, which is the gradient. So it's so simple. We have y minus, what is the y1? According to what we have here, that is y1 is 3. The m is what is 4 into bracket x minus the x1 is what is 2. Okay, so let's try to simplify this further. So we have y, so minus 3 equals, using the 4 to open the bracket, we're going to have 4x minus 4 times minus 2, so we're going to have minus 8. Okay, we have minus 8. So from there, so we have y, okay, equals 4x. Now we're going to transpose this to the right hand side. Okay, we are going to have minus 8 then plus 3. So we have y to be equals 4x minus 8 plus 3. That will give us minus 5. All right, so therefore when you look at this, we have the option B to be the solution. All right, so now let's see how we can solve 5. So looking at the question number 5, the question says, what is the distance between these points? We have this point here. So what's the distance? So here, don't forget the first entry, our x1, this our y1. We have this to be our x2, and we have this one to be our y2. Okay, so we are asked to find the distance. So we've done something like that before. So now to get the distance here, the distance formula is this, the square root of, so pick x part. From x1 we have 5 minus the x2, that is 9. So you can choose to pick x2 first before x1, so anyone. So then plus, so let's pick y. So we're going to have minus 2, all right, minus 6, okay, all squared. So now from here we have our distance to be equals, so the square root of 5 minus 9 squared. 5 minus 9, we have minus 4. Okay, that will be minus 4 all squared, plus then minus 2 minus 6, that will give us minus 8 squared. So we have d to be equal, the square root of minus 4 squared is 16 plus minus 8 squared is 64. So now if you add this together, so we're going to have d to be equals, so now 16 plus 64, the square root of 16 plus 64. So we're going to be having what? We're going to be having 80. Are you getting it now? So the square root of 80. The square root of 80, and then we have what? We have this to be the right option. That is option D. Okay. And that's what we stop for today. So if you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. In our next class, we're going to continue from there. Bye.